Okay, this is an intro to mute groups on our board. Mute groups are located over here in the lower right part of the board. And we currently have 3 of them configured to control the praise team and the speaker mics and the typical choir mic setups. So they're buttons 1, 2, and 3. Right now we're set up for the praise team. As you can see, the praise team configuration over on the input side of the board. Mute group 1 controls the entire praise team. Right now everybody's muted, all of the mute buttons are lit. If we use the mute group 1 button to unmute, you can see all of those mute lights go off, and the mute light on the button is also off. If we press it again, the mute light comes on the button, and all of the channels are now muted. So the entire praise team, all of the inputs from the digital snake are now muted. If we go to the second layer, we can see that the second layer is configured, and mute group 2 is the speaking mics. So we have the lectern, wireless 1, wireless 2, and Janet's mic over by the grand piano. The button for mute group 2 controls just those 4. You can see they're off now. I click the button again and they come back on. So mute group 2 is just those first 4 channels right here on the board. Similarly, mute group 3 is just the 3 channels that are the 2 choir mics that are the booms for the choir and the grand piano. Notice that the soloist mics are not presently included in mute group 3. That may change, but for now it's just the choir mics and the grand piano. So again, mute group 3, choir mics and grand piano are muted, and now they're all open. Okay, so that's how mute groups 1, 2, and 3 work. Mute group 1 is on the first layer with the praise team, and it's all of them, 1 through 16. Second layer is mute group 2, which is the speaking mics, the 2 wireless mics, the lectern, and Janet's announcements mic. And mute group 3 is the chorus mics, choir mics I should say, and the grand piano. So choir mics and grand piano are on mute group 3. That's how we have mute groups set up as of January of 2014.